So hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sapna and today we are going to talk about some affordable lipsticks. Some of these lipsticks are branded and some of them are from the drugstore. So without wasting any other time, let's get started. First lip color is from Half and Half and its shade number is 25. So I never used to use any kind of a bright lip color, red lip color, pink lip color. I used to use chocolate lip color, nude lip color, and this was my first ever lip color which I bought. I'll of course positively link down all the lip colors with name and amount. Please check the description box. So I'm going to apply this lip color for you guys and I'll tell you that how it looks on my lips while applying it, and how its texture is, how long lasting it is. So this lip color is quite good as in shade range. I can say that it is very affordable, and but it is not that too long lasting. If you are looking for affordable lip colors, you can grab your hands on this lip color for sure. So my second lip color is from Seven Heavens. It says photogenic matte lipstick. Its shade range is 403 baby pink. So let me try this lip color and then I'll tell you that how much I like this lip color. I have never used this lip color actually. This was with my mom. I bought it and I never used it, and my mom took it because she is very in the brighter side from when it comes to lip colors. I'm not a very big fan of this lip color. First of all, I have to drag it in my lips. I have to push it very hard in my lips so that I can get this lip color. I'm not going to like this lip color. I'm never going to have any other colors from Seven Heaven. If you guys still want lip colors in a affordable range, I would prefer that Half and Half is better from Seven Heaven. So my next lip color is from Color Essence. This is in the chocolate, I guess. It is chocolate. I used to use this lip color a lot. This lip color is very smooth and this lip color is too affordable. This lip color is very smooth first of all. It is very affordable second. And about this texture, okay, when it comes to like lip colors, it is going to be all day or not going to be whole day, or it is going to like go over from your lips. So I guess this is not that kind of a lipstick. It is going to be on your lips all day. If you are drinking, if you are eating, it is going to like disappear from your lips, but it is going to leave its tint. So you will not see this kind of a lip color on your lips, but it will be there like a very light brown shade. So if you will not apply it again also now, you will see that you can see a little bit of tint. Okay, so I'm going to give a big thumbs up to this lip color. Next lip color is from Color Sensational 630 Fatal Red. Sorry. So this is in the red shade, and I have never used a red shade in my entire life. I feel that I look like a Dracula, but I am going to in this video for you guys, of course. Oh god, it looks worse. Ugh. Okay, let me just give you a very brief review about this lip color. So it is very smooth first of all. It is very good. My mother used this lip color and I asked her review, and she said that this lip color stays on her lips actually the whole day. And one day she used this lip color and she forgot that lip color in front of me. And when she came back home from her work, and it was like 8 o'clock, and she had this lip color on her lips. Not exactly like this, but like a tint. Okay. So I'm going to give this a lip color a very big thumbs up, of course. Okay. My next lip color is from Lotus Herbals. This is in the very dark pink shade. I don't have its shade number. This is a great lip color, I would like to say that. And yeah, if you will eat or if you will drink, it is going to go. But I don't know about that little tint which I talk about. So let's see. But this is a great lip color and it was very smooth, smoothly gliding on my lips when I used it. So it's a great lip color. Lipstick is from Hilary Rhoda. It's matte lipstick and it is in the shade number 08. When it comes to Hilary Rhoda, I have used one shade of Hilary Rhoda in coffee only. Uh, this is in the red. Okay. Okay, it looks like orange on my lips, but it is red cause I have used so many lip colors, so it is going to change. It is going to mix with other colors. So when it comes to review about Hilary Rhoda, first of all, Hilary Rhoda is a very affordable brand. You can close your eyes and buy any lip color from Hilary Rhoda. Let me tell you that I have bought one lip color. I never had a complaint from that lip color. When it comes to lip colors, I like that my lip color should be like easy to glide on my lips. It should leave a great pigmentation. It should leave that tint on my lips if I eat or if I drink anything. And when it comes to this brand, it is quite affordable. I just close my eyes and pick up any shade from Hilary Rhoda if I want. This is a very trustworthy brand. Many people have not heard from Hilary Rhoda, but I think it is a very great brand. My next lip color is from Amway, and I bought this lip color a long time ago. So I don't know its shade range, but I can say that it is somewhere in maroon. It glides on very easily. It is not going to be affordable, but like in the cheap range because it's from Amway. It is a great lip color first of all, and second of all, it glides on my lips like very easily. And second, I want to say that it leaves that tint on my lips. If I eat, if I drink, it leaves that tint on my lips. It okay. It's a maroon magic actually. So my next lip color is from Nykaa. Okay, it's in the shade Janvi. It is a mini liquid lipstick, and it comes in this kind of an outer packaging. I love this lipstick. This lip color completes my whole look. Okay, this lip color glides on your lips very easily, first of all. Second, it's too affordable. Third, it's from Nykaa, and Nykaa lip colors has a lot of shade range in this mini liquid lipstick. I want to share about this lip color is, if you'll drink anything you'll drink now for like I can say for 12 hours. Okay, this lip color is going to stay like this on your lips until and unless you're going to wash it. Okay, it is not going to leave your lips until and unless you wash it. Okay, until and unless you're going to like rub your lips, it is going to be like this. And if any chance it leaves from your lips like little bit, it is going to leave the same tint on your lips. Last lip color is from Nykaa again, and this was the one which I bought the first time, and this was the one which I told my friends that you should remove your lip color and apply this because this is brilliant. I cannot explain this lip color only by words. Okay, you have to buy this lip color, you have to apply it. Well, I never thought that I'm going to buy a lip color from Nykaa which is going to be so affordable, and I'm going to say hats off Nykaa that you bought the lip color in such a good range, in such a good shade range actually, and it is so affordable. Okay, so this is the Rukmini shade. I cannot explain that this is such a good lip color. I guess Janvi वाला जो lip color मैंने आपको review दिया उसी में मैंने सब बोल दिया. I don't have anything to say for this lip color. This is so cute in such a cute little bottle. This is so affordable. This is so great. I have no words to explain this lip color. I have said many things, but really I don't have any words to explain this color. You girls have to buy this lip color in any other shade range which you like, and you should go and buy it. Okay, it is very affordable, let me tell you. So my last lip color is from Nykaa only, and it is in the shade Boho. It comes in this kind of a packaging, same packaging. Okay, and color हमेशा यहाँ लिखा होता है, shade यहाँ लिखा होता है, इसके नीचे लिखा है mini liquid lipstick. I have 3 Nykaa mini liquid lipsticks. One is Rukmini, one is Janvi, and one is Boho. I don't use Janvi a lot. I don't use Rukmini a lot. I use this color a lot. When I was gone to the Nykaa store for the first time, I wanted this lip color. It was not in the stock at that time. One of my very close friends gifted me this on my birthday, and after that I forgot that I bought a lip color. I forgot that I got a lip color again. One of my best friends gave me that Janvi lip color. I have my hands on this lip color. So if you are in a fair shade, you should try this particular lip color in boho, because this lip color, if you're not going to wear any makeup, okay, if you're going to apply this lip color and you're going to step out from your house, you your friends will actually say that what have you done to your face, because it gives you that brightness on your face that will complement on when I wear this lip color. I just love it. I'm going to bring this color back into my stock. I don't have any backup for this lip color. I'm just waiting for that lockdown to get end. My most affordable lip colors, and tell me which was your favorite. Comment that in the below comment section, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also put your bell notifications on so that you'll get notified whenever I put my another video. Also follow me on Instagram. My handle is Sapna2000 here, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, thank you for watching my video. Bye.